Hello kids, welcome to Ramayana Stories for Children on YouTube channel Zoom In Crazy Mother and follow me on Instagram Zoom In Crazy Mother. I have got Ramayana Stories for children and I am going chapter by chapter. Today I have the third chapter, that is the kidnapping of Sita. Let's start the chapter. During their exile in the forest, Ram, Lakshman and Sita arrived at Panchvati. This place is so beautiful, Sita exclaimed. It is perfect to build our hut, Ram decided. So, Lakshman built a beautiful hut where they started living. One day, the demoness Surpanakha saw them. Immediately, she was attracted to Ram. How handsome is he, she exclaimed. He will be the perfect husband for me. Surpanakha transformed herself into a lovely maiden and approached Ram. Who are you, O aesthetic? With bow and arrows, she asked Ram. Ram introduced himself, at which point Surpanakha asked him to marry her. I am already married, Ram said, pointing towards Sita. Marry me, Surpanakha said to Lakshman. I cannot marry a princess like you, Lakshman replied. I'll kill your wife and eat her. Then you'll be free to marry me, Surpanakha said angrily to Ram and rushed towards Sita. Stop her, Lakshman, Ram screamed. In a flash, Lakshman cut off Surpanakha's nose and ears with his sword. Oh no, Surpanakha cried before she assumed her true form and fled. Soon she returned with her brothers, Dushana, Khara, and an army of 14,000 demons. Ram killed all the demons single-handedly, while Lakshman kept a watch over Sita. Besides Surpanakha, only one demon called Akampana escaped by flying away over the southern ocean. Akampana landed in Lanka and met the demon king Ravan. Ram, prince of Ayodhya, has killed your brothers Khara and Dushana, Akampana announced. How can my brave brothers be slain by a mere man? Ravan said in disbelief. Soon Surpanakha arrived. She wailed and told Ravan, look how Ram and Lakshman have treated me for no fault of mine. They have also killed our brothers. If you do not avenge this insult, no god or human shall fear us anymore. Ravan immediately mounted his chariot and flew off to meet the demon Maricha. After informing Maricha about what had happened, he said, I have a plan. Disguise yourself as a deer and distract Ram and Lakshman so that I can kidnap Sita. Ram is no ordinary mortal, Maricha warned Ravan. I was hit by his arrow at sage Vishwamitra's hermitage and I was flung many miles away. But Ravan was adamant. Maricha realized that he would be killed if he did not follow his orders. Reluctantly, he went with Ravan to Panchvati. There, he transformed himself into a lovely golden deer. The deer then pranced merrily towards the cottage where Ram, Sita and Lakshman lived. Spotting the animal in a bush, Sita exclaimed, Look, what a beautiful deer! Please get it for me, my lord. Ram followed the deer, which led him far away from the hut. After a long chase, Ram killed the elusive animal. But just as it fell to the ground, it cried out aloud, imitating Ram's voice. Save me, Lakshman! Then the deer died, revealing Maricha's true form. Sita heard the cry and told Lakshman, Your elder brother is in danger. Please rescue him. I am sure Ram is all right, Lakshman reassured her. But Sita insisted that Lakshman went in search of Ram. With his bow, Lakshman drew a circle called Lakshman Rekha around the hut. Please do not step out of this protective circle, Lakshman said to Sita before leaving. Immediately, Ravan approached the hut as a hermit. Give me some alms, he begged Sita. My husband and brother-in-law are away, O sage, Sita replied. Please wait for them to return. I am hungry. Please give me some food, Ravan pleaded. Sita forgot about the protective circle and stepped out of it to feed the hermit. I am Ravan, the king of Lanka, the hermit said. Come away with me to be my queen. Sita was furious. How dare you? I am Ram's wife. You shall be killed for your impudence. An angry Ravan dragged Sita out of the hut into his chariot. Then the chariot flew away towards Lanka. This is the end of the third chapter of Ramayana stories. Do follow me for more Ramayana chapters on Zoom in Crazy Mother on YouTube and Instagram. The first and the second chapters are available on Zoom in Crazy Mother YouTube channel. Enjoy the Ramayana stories with your children. We'll come back with another chapter tomorrow.